Wow.
It's our motto.
Everybody all the time want to kill ACT noobs. Just
Well,
die so we
I know why they want to kill you. I don't know why they're shooting at me.
Yeah, I think it's the same reason, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I think you are right.
Lucas is all the way around now.
Yeah, Lucas is trying to sneak.
Yeah, sneaky.
Bad.
Sneaky little chum.
Shit, what the fuck am I doing?
Bad boy, Lucas. Oh, press a button, nothing happened. Press the button.
Ah, motherfucker.
I'm getting shot up the arse here and I'm not enjoying.
Yeah? Oh. Fuck this shit.
What's Max up to? Anybody know? Oh, you bastard. Trying to bail out of there.
Ooh la 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 la.
Here comes Max.
Max who?
Max the fucking mist. Second miss.
Go on, Max, you can do it, mate. Go on.
Yeah, I can do. I can hurt myself.
Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Max, I think your aimbot is broken.
Yeah.
Doesn't work.
Well, I made better damage than you, and I'm 200%. So.
But you know, my ping is bad.
Yeah. So I give you lucky. Okay.
You, my kilo friend, you are very